In today's metals markets, let's take a look at gold as we're seeing gold selling off a bit today. We're seeing gold down now for a second straight day, pushing below actually 1700, right around the 1698 level. So again, we're seeing gold trending back down towards the lower end of the range. When you look at 1700 currently is again a consolidation area for gold, it appears. And when you look at some of the drivers today, I think you got to point at a couple factors here. Number one, the stronger U.S. dollar. We did see the dollar gaining strength once again today, and I think that had something to do with why we saw gold giving up some ground, some rotation taking place there. And couple that with interest rates now bouncing back. We did see some volatility in interest rate markets last week, but now we're seeing bonds selling off, rates moving higher again, that 10-year pushing back over the spot 7.0 level. And with that, I think as we see rates kind of adjusting here and pushing back up towards the higher end of the recent range, that's another catalyst why we're seeing some pressure here in the gold complex. And when you look at the trends in place, it is interesting when you look at gold. We are seeing now a series of lower highs. And what I mean by that is the most recent bounce we saw in gold here just end of last week wasn't as high as it had been previously. So if you go back to April 14th, you can see a pretty solid downtrend of lower highs. We have not necessarily made lower lows. Their base is right around that 1688 level, but we are seeing a series of lower highs. So there is some, again, coiling here as we see gold pushing back down to below 1700. And as we continue to digest a lot of the news items and some of the data points coming out, it would be very interesting this week to see if gold holds that 1688 level. That really is the lower end of the range, particularly when you look at it from a closing standpoint, that I'm keeping a very close eye on now that we're seeing gold once again back below 1700.